Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. So before we get started, I would like to thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. It was very sudden and just like, wow, like how did that happen? Like it was just out of nowhere. So thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers, and maybe we can get up to 110. I think that might be my next goal. But for right now, we're gonna do some math homework. And y'all may be wondering, Millie, why are you filming at school? Because I'm in a classroom and my teacher that is normally in here isn't here today. Please excuse the bell. My teacher isn't here today. So I figured that I may as well. So let me explain something. So this is my second period. My first period was Algebra 2, so I'm doing my Algebra 2 homework in my second period because my second period is a time where I'm able to catch up on work that I wasn't able to finish in class or work on technology and stuff. So we are going to be sketching polynomials, basically. So I am I'm trying to adjust the paper. Okay, so we're going to be doing 3 problems together. That's not all I have, but I'm just going to do 3 with you guys. So this is what I mean by sketching polynomials. Number 1. So the problem is f of x equals negative, open parentheses, x plus 2 squared, open parentheses, out close parentheses. So, let me read it one more time. Number 1, f of x equals negative, open parentheses, x plus 2, close parentheses, squared, open parentheses, x plus 1, close parentheses, open parentheses, x minus 1. So it may seem a lot harder than it actually is. So first we're going to figure out the degree. The degree is all the exponents counted. So x plus 2 squared, that's 2 automatically. X plus 1, that's going to be, that exponent is automatically going to be a 1. That root, well, not the root, the 1. And then x minus 1 is also a 1. So the degree is 4 because the square, because x plus 2 squared, so it's going to be 2, counted as 2, and then x plus 1 is just, you automatically assume it's 1, and then x minus 1 is 1. So the degree is 4. So D is 4. D for degree. So, okay. So now that we have the degree, we're going to, so the leading coefficient is a negative because there is a negative in front of this whole expression. So the leading coefficient is negative. I just put NEG for negative. The roots. Okay, so we have x plus 2. So the root is going to be negative 2. And it's going to be a double root because of the squared. So double D. I put a D OU for double. Okay, so my next, it says x plus 1, but I know that the root is negative 1 because it's x plus 1, and the root is always going to be the opposite, so what did I say? X. Okay, so negative 1, and that is going to be a single root. And then x plus 1, that's going to be, oh wait, sorry guys, x minus 1, so my root's going to be 1, and that's single. It's a single root. Okay, so since this is a degree of 4, my graph, I'm going to know that it is a quadratic, and since there is a negative on the outside, it's going to go from down to down. So that's my leading behavior. So I'm just going to put down to down. Alright, number 2. Okay, the expression for number 2 is, there's no negative sign, so it's just open parentheses x minus 1 cubed, close parentheses, open parentheses x plus 1. So once again, the degree is 4 because after the x minus 1 there's a cube, so that's going to be a 3, and then x plus 1 and there's nothing, so it's just going to be a 1, and 3 plus 1 is 4, so once again the degree is 4. The leading coefficient is positive because there's nothing on the outside of the parentheses, so and my roots. So it starts off with x minus 1 cubed, and that's going to be a positive 1, so, and that's a triple root because of the cubed. X plus 1 is the next term, and that's going to be, the root is going to be negative 1, and that's going to be a single root. And then the last term of this problem is x plus 1, so that's going to be negative 1, and that's also single, and I ran out of room, but whatever. So since it's a 4, since the degree is 4, it's going to be a quadratic graph, a parabola, and it's going to go up to up since there's no negative. Last problem for this video. Okay, the problem is negative, open parentheses, x plus 2, close parentheses, open parentheses, x minus 1, close parentheses, open parentheses, x plus 3. So this, the degree is going to be 3 because x plus 2, x minus 1, x plus 3. So there's 3 terms, but there's no squared or roots or anything, cubed or squared or anything. So the degree is 3. Okay. The leading coefficient is negative because there is a negative outside of the parentheses. Okay. The roots. So let me, and sometimes I have to refer back to other, okay, x. I guess I just leave that negative alone. I don't remember. Okay, x plus 2. Oh, okay, I'm now getting confused. Okay, x plus 2. So my root is going to be negative 2. And that's a single root. X minus 1. So my root's going to be positive 1. And x plus 3, my root's going to be negative 3. And since the degree is 3, I know it's a linear graph. It's not a quadratic this time. It's a linear. So that means it's going to go up to down. It's going to go up to down because since there's a negative on the outside of the parentheses, that's going to go last. So it's going to go up to down. thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like me to try to do more videos like this, I'm not a math person. I'm not a morning person. I think I'm just going to upload this on Wednesday instead of a cover because I didn't have a cover planned. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. I made it because I knew how to do these math problems, and even though I don't like math, I just decided to do it because why not? If you guys have any questions, comment them down below. Once again, thank you for 100 subscribers, and I hope to get up to 110. But thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Bye. Bye.